Why chicken soup is the ultimate comfort for cough relief. When it comes to natural cough relief, few remedies are as comforting and effective as a warm bowl of chicken soup. For generations, this time-tested remedy has been praised for its healing properties, offering both soothing comfort and health benefits during cold and flu season. Rich in essential nutrients, anti-inflammatory compounds, and steam that helps clear nasal passages, chicken soup works wonders in easing respiratory symptoms, reducing throat irritation, and supporting your immune system. In this guide, we'll explore why chicken soup is so effective, how its ingredients work together to fight illness, and how you can prepare the perfect bowl to relieve your cough naturally. Discover the science and tradition behind this classic remedy and let chicken soup bring warmth and healing to your recovery journey. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt the soothing warmth of chicken soup when you were battling a cold or a stubborn cough? It's more than just comfort food. There's actual science behind why a bowl of chicken soup has been a trusted remedy for generations. Today, we're going to explore how chicken soup works as a natural solution for cough relief, the ingredients that give it its healing power, and how you can prepare this simple yet effective remedy at home. By the end, you'll not only understand why this soup is so powerful, but also have a recipe and tips to make the most of its benefits. First, let's break down why chicken soup is such a game changer when it comes to soothing coughs and colds. It acts as a natural decongestant. Picture yourself sipping on hot chicken soup. The steam rises up and opens your nasal passages, helping you breathe more easily. It's like a natural vapor treatment, especially helpful when sinus congestion triggers your cough. It has anti-inflammatory effects. When you cook chicken, it releases an amino acid called cysteine, which thins mucus and helps clear it from your airways. This reduces irritation and inflammation in your respiratory tract, which is key when a cough won't quit. It hydrates and soothes. Coughing can leave you dehydrated, and that makes recovery harder. Chicken soup replenishes lost fluids, soothes your throat, and provides warmth that's both physical and emotional. It's packed with immune-boosting nutrients. Here's where it gets even better. Chicken soup provides essential nutrients like vitamins A and C, protein, and zinc, which all help strengthen your immune system. When you add ingredients like garlic, ginger, and herbs, their antiviral and antibacterial properties give the soup even more healing power. So, as you can see, chicken soup isn't just a myth or an old wives' tale. It works naturally and effectively. Now, let's talk about what makes chicken soup so special. The ingredients. At the heart of it, of course, is the chicken. Cooking chicken, especially with bones, releases amino acids and minerals that strengthen your body's defenses. Next, you'll need nutrient-rich vegetables. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene. Onions have natural anti-inflammatory effects, and celery is full of antioxidants. Together, these veggies boost the soup's power. But to really maximize the healing, you'll want to add some natural boosters. Garlic. This immune-boosting powerhouse has antibacterial properties that fight infection. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory effects, ginger soothes your throat and can even reduce coughing. Turmeric. A pinch of turmeric adds antioxidants and fights inflammation. Herbs. Fresh herbs like parsley, thyme, and rosemary not only make the soup flavorful, but also have antibacterial and soothing effects. Finally, broth makes all the difference. A homemade chicken broth or bone broth is ideal because it's rich in electrolytes, collagen, and minerals that promote healing. Let me walk you through how to prepare the perfect bowl of healing chicken soup. Here's what you'll need. 2 to 3 pieces of chicken, bone in for more nutrients. 1 onion, chopped. 2 carrots, sliced to celery stalks, chopped. 3 cloves of garlic, crushed. 1 inch of fresh ginger, grated. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 6 cups of water or homemade broth. Fresh herbs like thyme, parsley, or rosemary. Salt and pepper to taste. Start by combining the chicken, water, garlic, ginger, and turmeric in a large pot. Bring it to a boil, Then lower the heat to let it simmer. After about 15 minutes, add the chopped carrots, celery, and onions. Let everything simmer for another 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken is tender and the vegetables are soft. Remove the chicken, shred the meat, and add it back to the pot. Season with salt, pepper, and fresh herbs. Serve it warm and enjoy the comfort. Make a large batch and store it in the fridge or freezer. That way, whenever you or a loved one feels under the weather, you'll have an instant remedy ready to go. To get the best results, here are a few tips. Drink it at the first sign of a cough. The earlier you start, the faster you'll feel the benefits. Aim for 1 to 2 bowls a day. Add steam therapy. As you sip the soup, inhale the steam. It's a natural way to clear nasal passages and ease congestion. Pair it with other remedies. Combine chicken soup with warm honey tea or lemon water for added throat relief and immune support. Stay hydrated. Chicken soup hydrates, but don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your throat moist and promote healing. To wrap things up, chicken soup is more than just a comforting meal. It's a powerful, natural remedy for cough relief, backed by science and generations of tradition. Its warmth clears congestion, its nutrients boost your immune system, and its soothing properties provide much-needed relief when you're feeling under the weather. The next time you or someone you love is battling a cough, don't underestimate the power of this simple, homemade remedy. It's easy to make, full of healing ingredients, and something you can feel good about. Sometimes, the best cures are the ones that have stood the test of time. So go ahead, try this recipe. Embrace the healing warmth of chicken soup, and let it work its magic on your recovery journey. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or comments below. I'm here to support you on this journey to better health, and I'll see you in the next video. And may your next bowl of chicken soup bring you health, comfort, and healing.